Hello kids, welcome to Kids Education with Fun. Dear kids, in this video we are drawing different 2D shapes, that is square, rectangle, heart, circle, oval shape, triangle, diamond, star. So don't go anywhere, do the same practice with me. Let's start drawing. Black color. Let's color these shapes. Dark blue color. This is dark blue color. Dark blue color, square. Next is rectangle. This is red color. Red color, rectangle. Yellow color. Yellow color, heart. Dark green color. Dark green color, circle. Violet color. Violet color, oval shape. Brown color. Brown color, triangle. Light green color. Light green color, diamond shape. Yellow color. Yellow color, star. Let's revise. Square, rectangle, heart, circle, oval shape, triangle, diamond, star. Dear kids, do the same practice, like this video, share it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.